Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about the all-new 2024 Mazda CX-50. This is a premium trim, and so this vehicle will have a little bit more bells and whistles than your basic CX-50. Nonetheless, all CX-50s are absolutely beautiful, versatile, roomy, and can handle pretty much anything that you or Mother Nature could throw at it. This is an all-wheel drive sports utility vehicle. This vehicle is designed for the adventurous driver. If you go hiking, kayaking, biking, boating, fishing, whatever your thrill is, this vehicle can get you there. It is designed to go off-road. It's designed to take you to places where civilization no longer exists and you can be one with nature. With the CX-50, you're going to get all of Mazda's wonderful safety features: smart brake support, blind spot monitoring, lane departure assist, radar cruise control. With the CX-50, you also get the all-new MI drive, which means you get a sports mode transmission. So if you need that extra power, that extra get up and go, you turn sport mode on and this car goes pretty fast. Also, when you're going to get to those areas where you're going to go kayaking, biking, boating, fishing, hiking, rock climbing, whatnot, you turn on the off-road. In off-road, what's going to happen is the vehicle is going to lower the torque and then apply brake force to the wheels that aren't getting traction, which will allow you to get through any situation, whether it's steep hills, rocky terrain, sand, mud. It doesn't matter. This vehicle can handle it. Plus, with the Mazda CX-50, as we're going to see here, above it, you can see that Mazda now has a full panoramic moonroof. CX-50s come with this beautiful rack here. You can also get an extra rack for all of your equipment to load up on top. Excellent cargo space in the back. Now, the CX-50 is slightly bigger than the CX-5. It's 10 inches longer, 2 inches wider, 2 inches lower to the ground for it's more stable and more controlled drive. This vehicle has it all. It's rugged, it's beautiful, it is classy. This is for the customer who says, listen, I work a 9 to 5, I gotta look good, I gotta feel good, but on the weekends, I wanna live good. If you are that person, then the Mazda CX-50 is the way to go. Come in and see me. This is Jason, once again, floor manager here at Russ Darrow Mazda, 3520 South 108th Street, Greenfield, Wisconsin. I'll look for you in the lot. Take care and have a great day.